Hey, welcome to the Fluent English Vibes. Today, we're learning 3 phrases to build confidence using filler words and pauses in virtual meetings. These will help you stay calm and fluent in Zoom or Teams calls. Let's get started. Picture this. You're presenting in a Zoom meeting and you need to sound confident. Here's how I'd do it. Let me take a beat. I suggest we focus on this task. So, let me fill in, we need more data. Good question. I'll buy some time. Right. Let's plan. Those phrases: take a beat, fill in, buy some time, keep you composed and natural. Let's break it down. Take a beat means pause to think, like, let me take a beat. Okay, I agree. It's polished for any meeting. Try hold a second, like, hold a second, that's right. Or pause a moment, like, I'll pause a moment. Yes, let's do it. Fill in uses fillers for flow. Like, let me fill in, my point is this. It's smooth and engaging. Use chime in, like, let me chime in, like, great idea. Or jump in, like, I'll jump in. Here's my view. Buy some time delays answers, like, let me buy some time. I'd say yes. It's confident. Try stall a bit, like, I'll stall. A bit, okay, I'm in. Or think it over, like, let me think it over, right? I agree. These make you sound fluent. Try fill in and share it in the comments. Subscribe to Fluent English Vibes for more episodes.